Hi, Daisy here with the Traveling Studio. Today I want to show you how to create your stickers with the free application called Medibang. We are going to use my iPad Pro and the Apple Pencil. And so we're just gonna jump right in and kind of go through making a very simple sticker and how to use that sticker on your planner. My planner, I use it on the Goodnotes app. Alright, so we are going to go ahead and open the Medibang app. And we're starting a new project. Leave without saving because I don't really need that one. So let's start a new canvas. We get all the settings already set in place. You obviously have some options to consider depending on what you're going to work on. So this is the canvas that we're going to be using. Let's do a ribbon. Alright, so we are going to go ahead and click on our pencil and the color that you want to use. We are going to keep it in black, and let's make the ribbon. Alright, so this is the edge pencil, so I don't need that one. I am going to use my gel pen and start over with the ribbon. Like that. So that's going to be our ribbon. Then you're going to select your bucket, your paint bucket, double click on it if you want to adjust settings to it. But once you click on it the first time, then you can go ahead and select your color, and we're going to go with yellow. No, I'm going to go with blue. Let me set actually the other medical blue. Oops, down. Alright, so here we go, and once you have your bucket selected, your color, you can just tap wherever you want the color. Do that and that, and then we can go a little bit darker for the inside of the ribbon, just to kind of create that shadow and depth to it. And that's pretty much it. This is your sticker. Now, to be able to use it on your planner, you have to save it as a PNG file with a clear background. So when you're ready to save it, click on the three lines on the top left. Then you are going to export it as a PNG, and it's going to ask you if you want it as a JPEG, a PNG, or a PNG with the transparent background, and that's what you're going to select. Then you can just select wherever you want to save it to. We are going to save it to my camera roll right now, and it is completed. So now we can go back to our planner, and I'm just going to select any part of my planner. It doesn't really matter. I'm gonna go to this week. Alright, so I'm going to, this is the last week of, pretty much the last week of December, and I'm going to use that banner that I just did, and I'm going to click on plus sign, image, photos, and there's my banner. I'm gonna go to my camera roll, and you can see the background is black. That means it's clear. And then you have your sticker. Now you can adjust it as you want. If you click on it and click on crop, I think it's a good idea to crop as close as possible. It may make a difference when you want to move it if it's close to another image. It may or may not. I'm not completely sure or clear about that, but I prefer to do that just in case. So I crop it as close as possible to the image and click done, and then I can just do that whatever I want to do with it. I'm gonna go ahead and place it here. You can flip it if you want to. That is it. We created our sticker and used it on our planner. That's pretty much it. That's all you got to do. So if you're feeling creative, go ahead and search for the Medibang app and get started on your sticker making. Hope these tips have been helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to hearing from you.